So good morning student, this is my fifth video on biphasic liquid dosage form suspension. Today we are going to discuss foculated suspension. The definition of foculated suspension is focculation is process of contact and adhesion where the particle of dispersion form a large size cluster. It has a loosely aggregated particle to come closer by weak bond forming of weak band and form a network-like structure. It is loosely aggregation of your solid particle and form a network-like structure called as a foculated suspension. The aggregation of particle foculated suspension led to a rapid rate of sedimentation, and each aggregation is composed of mainly individual particles. While foculated suspension, there is accumulation of n number of particles to come closer, and therefore rate of sedimentation is high as compared to your defoculated suspension. The commonly used method for preventing the aggregation small particle of suspension is the interfacial formation of loose aggregation of particle held together by weak bond. There is a commonly method for preventing the aggregation of small particle suspension is the interfacial formation loose aggregation of particle held together by weak bond. They are holding the weak bond between them, and they are loosely aggregated to form a flock. त्यानंतर आहे फोकुल्स have the fibrous fluffy open network and dispersion medium can flow through them during the sedimentation. ठीक आहे, जे फोकुल्स आहेत फोकुल्स have the fibrous असतात फ्लोपी असतात आणि नेटवर्क लाईक स्ट्रक्चर असतं. इन डिस्पर्शन मीडियम देअर फ्लो इन ड्युरिंग द सेडिमेंटेशन and flow होतात during the sedimentation. They can be interrupt large amount of liquid phase. They are interrupt at the large amount of liquid phase because they are from a network like structure. The volume of final sedimentation is large particle in flock are easily redispersed by shaking. They are weakly bounded to each other. Therefore, after shaking, it loses its bond and get form a separate entity, or it has a redispersion property. In foculated suspension, the supernut quickly become clear because large flock that settle rapidly. It has a network-like structure or loosely aggregation of particle. It has the easily go down into settle down. Therefore, there is a separation of your clear liquid upon over the supernut liquid is a clear, and there is a cloudy, or there is a at the bottom side there is a cloudy in nature. Foculated suspension for adequate redispersion upon moderate shaking and viscosity to control the sedimentation rate. For the preparation of foculated suspension for the adequate redispersion upon, you have to maintain the viscosity. If you are control the viscosity and viscosity is controlled, there will be the control the rate of sedimentation also can be controlled for the formulation of your foculated suspension. त्यानंतर बघूया defoculated suspension. Defocculation suspension definition. It is defined as state of condition of dispersion of solid in liquid in which each solid particle remain independent and unassociated with adjacent particle. असे पार्टिकल जे की इंडिव्हिज्युअली डिस्पर्स असतात इन द मीडियम त्याला म्हणतात डिफोकुलेटेड सस्पेन्शन. दे आर नॉट फॉर्म अ क्लम्स और दे आर नॉट फॉर्म अग्रिगेटेड. They are having the individual property to be dispersed in your liquid medium, and they are not unassociated to each other. They are separate from each other individual particle. त्याला म्हणतात defoculated suspension. The supernet of this suspension remain cloudy for the appreciable time after shaking due to the very slow settling rate and smallest particle size. For the defoculated suspension मध्ये हे कसे असतात की क्लाउडी असतात बिकॉज ऑफ पार्टिकल साईज जे असतात हे व्हेरी डिस्पर्स असतात. त्यामुळे जी क्लिअर लिक्विड जो आपण फॉक्युलेशन मध्ये बघितलं तसं क्लिअर सुपरनट न दिसता इज अ क्लाउडी सुपरनट जो पोर्शन आहे तो दिसतो. ड्युरिंग सेडिमेंटेशन द स्मॉलर पार्टिकल फील अवॉइड बिटवीन द लार्ज वन and thus prevent the liquid entrapment within the sediment. There is a during sedimentation smaller particle feel avoid between the large one and thus prevent the liquid entrapment within the sediment. There is a small particle over the large particle and prevent the liquid entrapment within the sediment. There is a liquid entrapment should be avoided in the defoculated suspension. त्यानंतर आहे द पार्टिकल इन द सेडिमेंट्स आर ग्रॅज्युअली प्रेस टुगेदर बाय वेट ऑन द पार्टिकल अबव. आता ते काय करतात, एकूणमेकावर आदळतात. एकूणमेकावर जर आदळलं तर ते काय होतं, दिस क्लोजनेस ऑफ द पार्टिकल अट्रॅक्ट देम टू लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वांडरवॉल फोर्स, लंडन फोर्स अँड फॉर्म अ कॉम्पॅक्ट केक विच व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू रिडिस्पर्स. ज्यावेळेस ते एकूणमेकावर आदळतात त्यानंतर त्याचा क्लोजनेस वाढतो. क्लोजनेस वाढल्यानंतर वांडरवॉल फोर्स वाढतो. वांडरवॉल फोर्स वाढल्याच्या नंतर त्याचा एक केक फॉर्म होतो आणि तो जो केक फॉर्म होतो त्याला रिडिस्पर्स करणं नॉट अ इझी. दिस इज द केस इन द defocculated suspension. In overcome conglomeration of particle size, system are provide with small amount of electrolyte or focculating agent. आता हा जो केक आहे त्याला जर तुम्हाला रिडिस्पर्स करायचा असेल तर यू हॅव टू गो अँड ऍड द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट विच इन्क्रीज द पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज आयन and focculating agent which are the increase the your any focculating agent or any electrolyte, addition of electrolyte to redisperse the cake. A zeta potential higher than the critical value when the repulsion force dominant to the attractive force. ज्यावेळेस तुमचं झिटा पोटेन्शियल वाढवलं त्यानंतर रिपल्शन वाढतं. रिपल्शन वाढलं तर फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन कमी होतो. फोर्स ऑफ अट्रॅक्शन जर कमी झाला तर तुमचं जे इंडिव्हिज्युअल इंटिग्रिटी आहे ती सेपरेट राहते आणि तेच आपल्याला डिफोक्युलेटेड सस्पेन्शन मध्ये करायचं आहे. म्हणून रिपल्शन फोर्स डॉमिनंट टू द अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्स. रिपल्शन फोर्स हा डॉमिनंट असतो ॲज कम्पेअर टू युअर अट्रॅक्शन फोर्स and you can be achieve the defocculated suspension by the increase in the zeta potential of your size. zeta potential वाढवणं म्हणजे you have to increase the your charge on your drugs or your particle. There is a repulsion charges you can be increase. त्यानंतर बघूया what are the difference between focculated and defocculated suspension. आता focculated suspension कसं असतं की by definition is a particle form loose aggregate with network like structure. It has a loose aggregate to form a network like structure. Particle exit a separate entity. पण defocculated suspension मध्ये they are individually separate or dispersed into the medium. Rate of sedimentation is high. Rate of sedimentation is slow. Why rate of sedimentation is high? Because of they are closely packed structure and because of structure they can be settled down very high. Whereas in individual entity it requires time to settle down. That's why the rate of sedimentation is slow. Sediment is rapidly formed. Sediment is slowly formed. There is a sedimentation rate is also high in the defocculated suspension, whereas sedimentation is slow in the defocculated suspension. Sediment is a scaffold like loosely packed, does not form a compact cake. When they are form a sediment, it form a loosely scaffold like structure which are the redispersed while shaking, but sediment is a very close pack and compact cake is formed. Where they are giving the sediment, the defocculated suspension, they are form a cake. It is not easy to redisperse. Sediment easy to redisperse, sediment difficult to redisperse because it form a cake in defocculated suspension. Suspension is not pleasing of appearance, suspension is pleasing in appearance because it has a super nut and down nut. These two phase will be separated. This will not look like a wood, whereas in suspension pleasure the good appearance because it has a cloudy in nature. The foccule stick on the bottle of wall. In the flocculation system, focculated suspension, there is a stick of flock on the wall. They don't stick on the side of the bottle. In defocculated suspension, the particles are not stick on the bottle wall. Supernut liquid generally clear and supernut liquid generally cloudy. Because of separation of your focculated suspension, there is a separation of your liquid. There is a supernut liquid has a clearly you can see, and there is a clumps formation or sedimental formation you can be see. Whereas in the supernut liquid there is a cloudy. It looks like a cloudy. Bioavailability is comparatively less due to the smaller surface area. It has a formation of your clump or formation of aggregate. Therefore, the larger surface area to show its action. And supernut of liquid gentle cloudy bioavailability higher due to the large surface area, large specific surface area. Because defocculated suspension containing the large surface area, smaller particle, individual entity has the larger surface area. Therefore, larger surface area it has a more absorbability or more dissolution and has a more bioavailability as compared to focculated suspension. These are the difference between focculated and defocculated suspension. त्यानंतर बघूया आपण सस्पेन्शन स्टॅबिलिटी. व्हॉट आर द स्टॅबिलिटी फॉर द सस्पेन्शन? फिजिकल स्टॅबिलिटी. फिजिकल स्टॅबिलिटी ऑफ सस्पेन्शन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट टू इन्श्युअर युनिफॉर्म डोजिंग ड्रग दे कंटेन. फिजिकल स्टॅबिलिटी मेंटेन करणं फार गरजेचं आहे फॉर द टू युनिफॉर्म डोजिंग. Physical parameters that determine the stability of suspension include physical form, particle size, disperse phase, particle-particle interaction. These are the property of physical property like physical form जो आहे तुमचा, it should not be converted into dihydrate to anhydrate. Then it should not be changed into the solid to liquid. It should be disperse phase, should be in the disperse medium. Particle-particle interaction should not be there. That you have to study in this suspension stability. The property help to determine the whether suspension would for the sediment as hard cake or sediment that easy disperse. That you have to property to help determine the it is formation of hard cake or sediment redisperse easily. It is critical to ensure that there is no change in physical form due to the polymorphic change or increase the particle size due to the Oswald repelling. There should be no change in particle size during the formulation of your suspension by applying the Oswald repelling force. Or there is no change in the form, just like a polymorphic form in one form to another. It should not be changed. Then particle size. The particle size play key role in the formulation of suspension. The greater degree of subdivision of solid by size reduction provide the larger surface area. As you know that जर surface area जास्त particle size जर जास्त लहान असेल तर surface area हा जास्त असतो. Increase in surface area increase the interface between the solid and liquid leading to increase in viscosity of suspension system and decrease the sedimentation. ठीक आहे. आता जर surface area जास्त असला तर तुमची viscosity पण जास्त होते, sedimentation rate हा कमी होतो आणि आपल्याला तेच अचीव करायचे for the achieving the laser particle size. It is advisable to particle size less than 5 micron. You have to advisable to use the size 5 micron. Less than 5 micron particle size you can use the formulation of suspension. Particle with spherical shape they are best for suspension as there is no crystal growth on standing for certain period of time. ठीक है. If you are using the spherical shape चे जे सॉलिड पार्टिकल आहे ते जर आपण सस्पेन्शन बनवण्यासाठी केलं तर क्रिस्टल ग्रोथ होत नाही आणि क्रिस्टल ग्रोथ होत नसेल तर ते फॉर द लॉंगर पिरियड ऑफ टाइम इट हॅज अ गुड फॉर द प्रिपरेशन. त्यानंतर आहे विस्कॉसिटी. ओरल सस्पेन्शन जनरली हॅव द हाय विस्कॉसिटी अँड मे कंटेन द हाय अमाउंट ऑफ डिस्पर्स सॉलिड. आता जी ओरल सस्पेन्शन आहे इट हॅज अ हाय विस्कॉसिटी ॲज कम्पेअर्ड टू युअर पॅरेंटल containing high amount of dispersed solid because it containing the high amount जास्त amount मध्ये solid असतं. A parental suspension on other hand usually has a low viscosity and less than the 5% solid. ठीक आहे. आता याची हाय असते आणि सॉलिड पार्टिकल पण कमी असतात. आता विस्कॉसिटी कमी कशासाठी की इझी टू पास बाय द सिरीज, ते इझी टू सिरीज मधून पास पण झाले पाहिजे म्हणून विस्कॉसिटी कमी असते. इन्क्रीज द विस्कॉसिटी डिक्रीज द सेडिमेंटेशन. ॲज यू नो दॅट जर विस्कॉसिटी वाढवली तर सेडिमेंटेशन कमी होतं. The suspension can made viscous by addition of thickening agent to disperse medium where they usually swell. ठीक आहे. मग आता तुम्हाला विस्कोसिटी जर वाढवायची असेल तर यू कॅन ऍड द सस्पेंडिंग एजंट और डिस्पर्शन मीडियम यू कॅन बी इन्क्रीज द विस्कोसिटी. द मोर द विस्कस प्रिपरेशन स्लो विथ द रेट ऑफ रिलीज. आता जर विस्कस प्रिपरेशन असेल तर रेट ऑफ रिलीज जो आहे ड्रगचा तो पण स्लो होतो. ठीक आहे. दिस कॅन बी अचीव्ड बाय temperature. Another factor which negatively affect in the stability and usefulness of pharmaceutical suspension in fluctuation of temperature. ठीक आहे. आता निगेटिव्हली कसा अफेक्ट करतं. ठीक आहे. जनरली आर राईज इन टेम्परेचर कॉज अ विस्कॉसिटी डाऊन. आता ज्यावेळेस टेम्परेचर वाढतं त्यावेळेस विस्कॉसिटी डाऊन होती सस्पेन्शनची. Temperature can be affect the viscosity on suspension by modifying interfacial property and thus include or reducing the flocculation. त्यामुळे काय होतं जर विस्कॉसिटी कमी झाली तर इट हॅज अ प्रॉपर्टी टू रिड्यूस द युअर फ्लोक्युलेशनचं जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे जे फोक्युलेटेड स्ट्रक्चर आपण बनवलंय ते रिडिस्पर्स होतं. टेम्परेचर फ्लक्च्युएशन कॅन लेड टू कॅकिंग अँड क्लाइंग. त्यानंतर काय होतं केकिंग होतं किंवा क्लाइंग होतं म्हणजेच ते तुमचं जे सस्पेन्शन आहे ते ब्रेक होतं. ठीक आहे. थँक्यू.